Hi, I am delighted to be here at 4 Hinchwick Court in the centre of Dorridge, and this is a superb 5-bedroom detached home. So come and take a look inside. Just look at the size of this entrance hall. You've got double doors leading into a spacious lounge with a log burner. There's a snug to the front, a separate study and dining room, a modern kitchen with a separate utility space. So this immaculately presented property offers 4 double bedrooms with fitted wardrobes and a single. There are 2 large en-suites and a family bathroom. Outside, you've got a beautiful south-facing garden which has been landscaped. There is side access to the double garage. If you're interested, give us a call on the Dorridge line. It's 01564 777 314.